Welcome to our S4HANA Public Cloud 2508 release video. My name is Charlotte Verstraeten.
And I'm Barbara Delchambre. Hi everyone. At Flexso, we've explored the new 2508 release. And today, we'll highlight the most exciting new features and improvements per line of business. Charlotte?
Thank you. Let's start with supply chain. A big change here. Decentralized EWM now integrates with the public cloud. This is perfect for companies with more complex warehouse operations, but standards, sales, procurement, or transportation management processes. Public cloud will then handle the standard workflows, while decentralized EWM will focus on the warehouse-specific needs.
Great. Also in supply chain, transportation management gets a boost. So until now, transportation planning for outbound deliveries from stock transfer orders with warehouse-managed storage location was not possible. Within 2508, you can now plan transport between warehouse-managed plants.
Okay. Now, in procurement, workflows are getting smarter. You can now set more start conditions based on account assignments. Next to that, you can also add ad hoc steps in the workflow of purchasing documents in error or under approval. Now, you can also send deadline or review notifications via email. This will all make the approval process faster and clearer.
Interesting. Finance and controlling related, last time we showed you the professional finance booklet on a demo for professional services. Now this release will expand on that. So with multiple new review booklets, giving the finance department more ways to monitor and report in various areas, such as financial statement, profitability, and cost of goods manufactured.
Okay, that's interesting. Now, for sales, SAP introduces advanced down payment processing, finally adding delivery-related billing to down payments. This will make payment handling much more flexible. But note, it's not active by default, so you will need to request activation for scope item 7is7, which is sell from stock with down payment processing.
Good to know.
Yeah.
For manufacturing and quality management, the incoming quality certificates can now be processed automatically. SAP Document AI will extract the data, attach it to the right records, and ensure that nothing gets lost. This will save time and improve accuracy.
Okay. Now, last but not least is plant maintenance. It just got a lot simpler. Previously, creating, screening, and converting maintenance requests to orders, we needed to switch between multiple apps. However, now one single app handles it all. It automatically adapts to your role. Now, we have invited our colleague Emma Klinke to demo this new streamlined experience. Enjoy watching.
This one app, Manage Maintenance Notifications, holds all actions to be performed for a maintenance request or notification. The actions that people can perform depend on your authorization setup. For the sake of this demo, I now have all roles, so access to all actions. We will now start by creating a maintenance request. Before, the app Create Maintenance Request was used for this. Now we just have the Create button in the Overview app. Emergency and minor work requests can also be created immediately from here. We can enter our technical objects, so either a functional location or an equipment, and a description. Continuing will lead us to a more detailed overview. We add some more details, like the priority of the maintenance request, and we submit our request. With the old app, Create Maintenance Request, we will be done here. There were no further actions to be performed. Now, however, we can go on to the screening phase, again using the same app. In the screening phase, the gatekeeper accepts or rejects the maintenance request. In some situations, he will say that there is more action required and send the request back to the requester. This is what we will do in this case. The requester will get a notification of the gatekeeper's action and goes back to his same app, adds more information to his submitted request and resubmits it. The gatekeeper then screens the request again and will accept it this time. During screening, he notices that there are still some changes to be made and performs those changes. We can see that even after accepting the request, we still have the option to make some changes. Whenever the request is completely ready, we will create an order for it. Again, this is possible from the same app, Manage Maintenance Notifications. Selecting an order type is enough. All other information will be copied from the request. We can directly navigate to the order if necessary. Go back to the list to follow up on all maintenance requests created.
Thanks, Emma. That wraps up the highlights for 2508.
Thank you all for watching, and for more details, check out our Flexso release page or follow us on LinkedIn.
See you in 6 months for the 2602 release video. Bye.
Bye.